Welcome at BlockchainLab Drenthe, where I would like to invite you to our next blockchain meetup on December 17th. As always, we have a very interesting number of topics for you. This time we have 2 external speakers. I will start the evening with talking about what's going on in the blockchain space, news about technology, cryptocurrencies, scams, and other developments. After me, Bernard van der Biesen will be our first external speaker of the evening. He is blockchain lead at the Institute for Finance and Accounting at the Utrecht University of Applied Sciences. He has a background as a research fellow of port economics at the Erasmus University Rotterdam and as a data engineer at the Statistics Netherlands, CBS. His field of expertise are data visualization and blockchain. Bernard will talk about using blockchain in the shipping world. He will show us the complexity in the current shipping process and will discuss with us the TradeLens solution for shipping documents that is currently being adopted by more and more shippers and ports all over the world. Our second external speaker is Harro Boven. Harro Boven works for DNB, the Dutch central bank, and he is heavily involved in experiments with central bank digital currencies. He will give a highly interactive presentation explaining what CBDC is and what it isn't. If you have any questions about central bank digital currencies, this is your chance to ask the expert. As I already explained, this is going to be a very interesting session, so use the link in the description to reserve your spot and join us Thursday, December 17th, 7 o'clock in the evening, online.